Barbecue. Look at how tender it is. More tacos. Here we go. Hello and welcome to the Meat Around the World show. Today from the Eco Alberto Park here in the state of Hidalgo and near Ixmiquilpan. We've been here before, yes, right. We even filmed the show here. That's the third time we're here, and we had a wonderful night, although the place has been destroyed. They have severe floods here, so the bridge is no longer here. That's crazy, and the grassy area is more like a beach.
Sad. It's sad because it's such a beautiful area.
It is, yeah. Beautiful canyon and beautiful day. So we're on our last leg to Teotihuacan, fourth day of driving. It's going to take us about 2.5 to 3 hours, and we're going to have a lunch break. And we're going to eat something very typical for Hidalgo, and it's called?
Barbacoa de Borrego.
Borrego, genau. Yes, that's what we're going to have.
Yes.
All right, we're going to drive about 2 hours and have lunch there.
Yes.
So, see you there.
Meet you there. Barbacoa place on our way to Teotihuacan. Live music, the vibe is good. Let's go check it out.
In case you're wondering what kind of meat it is, here we go. That's Borrego. Sí, gracias. 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 Ponme asiento, patrón, dame asiento.
That's a starter, huh?
That's how I make it. Fresh tortillas. Look at it. Wow. Yes. There you go. Okay. Well, barbacoa here in Hidalgo is very famous, and especially on Sundays, and they eat it for breakfast. And yeah, it's now like 11 or 12 o'clock. No, 11 in the morning. And yeah, it's beautiful. You see it everywhere. And I think we picked the best. That's how I make it.
So let's try it. Look at that, juicy.
Zoe had was? Oh, a gas party. Cheese party. Huh? With every barbecue, look at how tender it is. Wow, it's beautiful. Onions. Yeah, my cousin Patrick in Norway. If you're watching this, he's always commenting on, oh, well, you stay a little longer in Mexico, that means more tacos. Here we go.
Chickpeas?
Very nice
Yep.
too. Consomme. And this here, the stuffed, it's like a tortita fried with beans inside. But I tell you, the herbs, it's beautiful.
Really good blend of herbs,
Everything,
yeah.
the sauces, even the tortillas, everything perfect.
So we've just been offered some pulque. This is the first time I'm trying it.
Pulque made from the maguey agave. How do you like it? It's fermented. It's got a little bit of alcohol.
You can just taste the fermentation.
Yeah. Zoe, found a friend. Hello. Yeah. Hola. Like big family here.
Palanqueta de coco, de pepita,
Estos son de
semilla de girasol.
girasol, sí. Sí, sí. Me gustan, sí.
También tengo lo que es,
¿Y ese pistacho?
no, pepita.
Pepita.
Ajá.
So that was our Sunday morning breakfast, Barbacoa Sheep Festival. That was good, right,
Yeah.
Abigail?
Oh my goodness, that was a good pick.
Very good.
Really
Oh yeah.
tender, juicy barbacoa.
Yes.
The flavors and the spices that they mixed. Even
Yep.
the salsas were like roasted tomatoes in there. It was just lovely.
Yeah. And the service, I mean, people,
Shapes,
everything, the
shapes.
guests, we had a party. We could have stayed on.
Yeah.
And we're back in Teotihuacan, Pyramid Land. Wonderful. Weather's beautiful, 25 degrees. Oh, couldn't be any better, right?
Goodbye meal.
Goodbye meal, yeah?
So we now are off to catch the airplane today. Quesadilla, ham, melon, leftover meat.
Somos
going.
listos.
Yep, estoy lista. Estamos lista. Yeah. Oh.
Cheers. High five. Cheers. Who's coming? Nobody. It's just me. Can I not eat a whole chicken? Pollo asado with pasta. You know what? That's grilled to perfection. The skin, oh, so good. Yeah, very nice. It's just sad I can't share it with anybody. Well, having said that, maybe I'll give him a little bit later. Maybe not.